And now that we've looked at sheet sets from a very basic use and we've seen how to create one, let's show you how to get some information from your sheet set into your drawings. Now, if we look at the manufacturing sheet set example, if you don't have it open, click Open, browse to your folder, and find the manufacturing sheetset.dst file. That's manufacturing sheetset.dst file. Select it, click Open. Let's go to one of these drawings. I'm just going to pick sheet 2. Double click on it. And we're going to see here this little title block. It has some basic drawing part numbers, file names, folder names, project names. But let's look at this name. This is the drawing name. It's a driver roller assembly lower. And we have a sheet number, and that's sheet number 2. Now, both of these bits of text, they're just regular text objects, are using fields to get information from the sheet set manager. I'm going to close my properties palette. I'm going to move my sheet set manager all the way over and click on it so it stays open. Now you can see this information right here in the assemblies subset. Drawing number is 02, and this is the drawing name. It's right there. If I right click on this file name here, the drawing, and click on properties, I see all this information right here. Now this is drawing specific property. Now you have two sets of properties in a sheet set manager, sheet set custom properties, and you have sheet custom properties. I'll go over those a little bit later on. But right now, this is where this information, the sheet number, which is right here, and the sheet title, which is right here, is getting pulled from. So I can change this right here all I want. Click OK. You can see it's updated right here. Here in my drawing, it isn't. Well, if I just do an REA or regen all, it will automatically update that. Or if I close the file, open it back up, or save the file, anything that triggers a regen on your drawing will update that. So that's really cool. So how do they get that bit of information? Well, if you open up your text editor, I just double clicked on that text, you'll see that there is a gray box behind this text. That's telling me that it's a field. If I double click on that text, it's a field object. I can see right here, it takes me to my field window and in my field category to my sheet set. And it was looking at the current sheet title. So it's looking at the current sheet title for this drawing in the sheet set it's assigned to. So that's this bit of information here on the left in the sheet set manager. And it gives you a preview of what it looks like right up here. So let's say I wanted to add some type of text. So I'm going to type in MT for mtext, press enter, and I'm going to put it in this box right here. So here's where my text is going to go. Now I have a couple of different options on how to insert a field. I can press Control F. I can click on the field button right here in my ribbon, or I can right click and click on the insert field option. That'll bring me to my field category right here. Make sure you're in the sheet set, and I can read all this type of information from this sheet set. Right here's a little preview of what the text is going to look like. Now we have current sheet category that doesn't have any information on it. I have current sheet custom. So this is custom information designed specifically for this sheet. Now I can click on this little window right here to find my options. I only have one option in this case, and this is my name. So I'm click OK. Click here again, and there's my text. Now it's a little small, so I'm going to use my match properties here to make it the same size. Now, this is just regular text, nothing really special about it. I'm just going to put it right in there. You say, oh, that's a little bit too big. Well, that's okay. Right click, properties, and it says drawn by Brian B. Let's just change that to my initials. Click OK. And again, regen all. There we go. That's my drawn by. So I need to put that over here. Use my move command into my drawn by title block area. So that's how you get information from your sheet sets using fields. You can get any type of information. It can be in a title block, which is probably the most common form of sheet set information that you're going to use. Now, you could also put in different things that says controlled copy right here. So you can create a stamp for your drawings. Maybe it's draft copy, maybe it's for review, maybe it's a check set, things like that. You can put that on every sheet with fields and text, or in a dimension, or in any type of note, annotated blocks, multi-leaders, things like that. Anywhere you can put a field, you can read information from your sheet set manager and put it in here.